And special thanks to our friends at this company who was nice enough to send us this green carry-on suitcase. So this suitcase is the exact dimensions to fit into the overhead compartments of an airliner. Got a few nice features here. The bottom has very nice spinning wheels, 360-degree rotation. Won't matter how you turn this thing. Now, of course, you've got a TSA lock right there. You've got a handle here, as well as your multiple extensions to roll it behind you. A little information here on it about the company, etc. So to get into it, just pull this, that pops your TSA locks, and then you can unzip. Whoa, there's stuff in here. Didn't expect that. So, nice strap over here. They sent us these are like stickers or something. That's awesome. Got where you can put your name and phone number, little pouch. Everything has elephants on it. My wife loves elephants. Got a zipper pocket here and here, which also has all of this information. And then you can unzip this to get into there. Little elephants everywhere. Oh yeah. Very cool. So tons of room, perfect for carry-on. Should be able to hold everything you have. I think that'll do it for a look around this suitcase. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.